Hi everyone, this is my next video on how to create a YouTube video. There are many videos that talk about how to create content, such as this amazing video that I've found, how to make YouTube videos for beginners. It's really good, go check it out. In my video, however, this will talk you through the technical side of creating a YouTube video. So this is my third video now, and I'm still learning my way around video creation. I've had a lot of comments from people to ask them how to make a video, so that's how this came into being. So please comment any tips below. So once you have watched how to keep your content relevant, let's dive into the technical side. So step one is set up a Google account. Now please skip this step if you already have one. For us, I'm just going to take you through how to do that. So to change your tabs when you're doing presentation mode, you just click Alt Tab, and this little thingy will go up. We'll go to Chrome. Now we're already signed in here, so we click on the B, we click on Add Account, and we don't want my account there. We click Create Account for myself or for my business. I'm just going to do it for myself. We give it a name, so blah blah. Now I'm just being silly, so you can put in your real name obviously, and then give it a password. Something you'll remember, and click Next. And username's already taken, so sorry, I should have put my phone on silent. I'm just answering a text from my cleaner. Now, I don't want to put any of that stuff in because I don't want you knowing too much about me, but you can. So obviously female, I can put rather not say. Let's do that. Even though you clearly know I'm female. And it wants me to put in my birthday, but I'm just going to put in the 12th of Feb, 2005. Yeah, make me real young. And then go next. You can save this to your browser. I prefer to, but you don't have to, so I'm going to say never for this demonstration. We're going to pretend we read all that because that sounds great, and we go I agree. Now your Google account has been created. Fantastic. So the next step, if I go back to my lovely sides, is to get hardware and software. So when starting out on your channel, one thing that you don't want to do is spend a fortune on hardware and software. Now the reason for this is you don't know if you're going to be a success. So if it starts picking up and you start getting more views, then yes, go out and buy proper software and hardware. So the first thing that I did was try out various screen capturing software. So I settled on Movavi because it was cheap. It was $70 all up, which is a bargain. Camtasia, which I absolutely love, and I love using Camtasia. It's my favorite screen capturing tool, but it was $300 and I couldn't afford that. Maybe once this channel picks up, then I will get it, but not for now. The second thing that I did was try out my PC camera. Now, I look awful, I'm telling you now. It is hilarious. So most YouTubers you might find actually use an external camera, and I haven't bought one of those, so I don't know much about where to get a good camera from. The third thing that I did was try out different mics. Now in my last video, my mic was really soft, and I'm hopeful that this video the mic will be better. I bought a cheap crappy mic from eBay, and I'm paying for that decision now, I think. So step 3, create your channel. So go into YouTube and create your channel. So we're going to just do that again. So Alt-Tab again, back to Google. And we're going to go over to YouTube. Wow, in the end, you're so slow. Look at you go. Woo! And I click on my name and I click on my channel. And then it comes up with creating your channel. So you give it a name and whatever, and then you click on create channel. Now this is really important because this is how people will find you. So you have to think of a name that people are going to search by. So it's going to go away and create your channel. And now it's done that, and so now you can see your channel. So you can see your dashboard and whatever's. So now if I go back to my Movavi software, where are you? Nope. I'm going to go and edit video because I did one earlier. I just can't find it. And it's going to tell me it's running. That's awesome. So we're just going to minimize all that and escape out of PowerPoint and all that jazz and try and find where Movavi is running so I can show you this bit. So that one's already running, so lots of pop-ups. So in here I'm going to open a project that I was previously using so I can show you how to upload it to YouTube. And lots of pop-ups which are very annoying. Go away. And then under export there is this option to upload to YouTube. Now in here it actually signs you into YouTube, so this is my actual channel. I'm going to just use that for the purpose of this video, and I'm just going to show you how easy it is to change stuff quickly. So I'm going to change it to private because I don't want anyone to see it. You put in a nice description here that will be seen on YouTube. You give it some tags or whatever you're filming. So this one was web, so web page, it was HTML, coding, and then you click on upload. Now once you've clicked on upload, it will appear in here. And the one thing, once it's done, it'll upload back to YouTube and it's visible for everyone to see. Now the one thing that I forgot to do in all my other videos is to ask you to please like, comment or subscribe or share my videos, because I want to learn to be better at doing this. I want to learn how to share my knowledge with you in a proper way that you can learn and understand. And yeah, that is all I have to say. So thanks so much for watching. I will talk to you again soon.